Blow them out. Say, blow. Boys, blow them out. Help her out. Help her out. Blow. Blow. There you go. There you go.
What's that? What is that?
Looky there.
What is it?
Leave your hand on there.
Get some. Get a bite. Get a bite.
Do it.
Okay, I'll get one.
Get you a bite.
Is it good?
Get a bite, Raylan.
Get some. Get some.
She said the whole big thing.
Get it. Get you some.
Get a bite. Look, right here. Get you a big old bite. Get a bite.
I call him off that piece. I call him off that piece.
There you go.
I call him off that piece. I call him off that piece.
What am I supposed to do now?
What are you doing? You boys don't do that. You don't do that. It's her birthday cake. When she's 1, you don't do it when you're your age. Say, you want some more? Get a bite. Look.
You want one of those?
Alex. Maybe we'll choke on it.
I got you.
Say, look
I
at
got
me.
you. I got
Take all the
you.
candles out now.
Peekaboo.
Peekaboo. I got you.
Hey.
All the candles.
What are you doing?
Get your piece.
Everybody, all the candles out. All the
Here, you
I
can lay
take
him
the
right here.
candles out. Mommy, I take the
Want another
candles
bite?
out.
Yeah, lay him right here.
You want another
Leave her
bite?
number 1 in there, though.
You want another bite?
Mom might want that somewhere.
No? You gonna eat the candle. You boys want a piece of cake?
Can you cross your eyes?
You guys want your corn dog?
Grandpa, bye-bye.
Trent, where's the paper?
Together. Mom,
Say bye, Grandpa.
Mommy,
Here, sit up here.
Mommy, to get a cake, we gotta. Mom, to get a cake, we gotta go do a corn dog.
Bye-bye-bye.
Yeah.
Bye-bye.
You share.
Bye.
Say bye-bye.
We gotta go do corn dog first.
Hey,
bye.